Yay, it's here! I finally got a sewing machine and we're gonna unbox it. Hey, what's up, internet? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire, if you don't already know. And today, it's a special video. Mag-focus ka, special video to, okay? Because we are gonna be unboxing my first ever sewing machine. I am so freaking excited. So if you don't know, I have an interest in fashion, blah 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 blah. I don't know, I just want to make clothes, so I'm so excited. You know the drill, like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media accounts, my Twitter and my Instagram, and let's just hop right into the video. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm tired. It's kind of heavy. Don't mind my hair pate, medyo basa pa. Because I just got out of the shower and this game, so kailangan ko na siyang buksan talaga. Because I can't wait. Sobrang protected, which is good. Wait lang medyo mapagod tanggalin yung packaging. Hinahingan ako. Open the box. Ooh, yay! As you can see, ayan o, Singer. I got a Singer na sewing machine. It feels like Christmas. Okay. Oh my god, ang heavy. Hinga. Oh my god. Thumbnail. Cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ayan, meron naka-attach na envelope with my name on it. Ano to? Love letter, chore. Okay, ito yung receipt niya. Okay. So excited. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Wait, na-search natin ito. Nakalagay ito. Thank you for your purchase of Singer sewing machines. Kindly search in YouTube for your purchase model for tutoring. Tapos may QR code for top 10 commonly asked questions. Mamaya ako napapanoorin yan. I wanna open na. Okay. Open. Oh my god. Why is this so hard to do? Styrofoam. Oh my god, I cannot picture. Ayun, pahirapan na naman ilabas to. Ay! There's supposed to be a CD. Wala na, lalagaan na lang, nahulog ata. Teka lang Try ko lang ilabas Come out! Sige, ito muna. May freebies siya. Ayaw lumabas ng mismong machine. Hirap na ako. Ayan. Oh. Okay, so may kasama nga siyang CD. I'm assuming parang manual or tutorial ito. And meron din itong kasamang warranty. Ayan. What else is here? And we also have an instruction manual. Other free stuff. Merong bobbins. Let's open that later pa. Okay, wala na extra stuff. Let's go to the machine. So this is the actual machine. Let us open. As you can see naman, protected po. Ta-da! Okay, my first ever sewing machine. I'm assuming this is the foot pedal. Oh yeah, I'm right. This is the foot pedal. Ayan lang siya. So pretty. Can you see? And mukhang tinesting naman nila kung gumagana yung stitches and it looks like it works. I don't know how to use it yet. But yeah, let's talk about the machine. I got the Singer M1505. I got it from Shopee. Alam ko official, like, Singer account yan, if I'm not mistaken. I only got it for 6,800. Yung price na 6,800. Tapos, meron pa ako free shipping voucher. Tapos, meron pang parang 5% discount na voucher. So, I think naging 6,500 something na lang siya. Pero yung price na talaga is 6,800. Basta yun, tip ko sa inyo vouchers. Gamitin niyo yung mga Shopee vouchers. Sobrang. So, if you also want this, I'll link it down below, yung exact model. So, if interested din kayo. So, this one is portable. Well, supposedly lightweight siya, kahit paano. But it's a lot It's still heavy. Pero it's a lot lighter than heavy-duty machines. And ito, kaya siya portable kasi may handle siya so you can carry it. So if you have, you know, fashion design classes, gano'n, yung may pupuntahan ka talaga, you can bring it, you know, in the future for me. I'm not gonna pretend I know it yet. Ang alam ko lang dito yung mga thread. Yeah, paikot-ikotin dito. I am going to learn, guys. I'm going to learn. Meron siyang... Amorita, parang hindi ako pahiya. Parang hindi ako mali. Meron siyang 6 na stitches. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? So, para tama siya, sabi ko, ano, meron siyang 6 na basic stitches. Straight stitch, zigzag, ayan. Kaya pala siya 3 dito. Kasi merong parang sizes. May 3 sizes yung straight stitch, 3 sizes yung zigzag stitch, tapos may blind hem stitch, multi-step zigzag, may decorative scallop, and may 4-step buttonhole. So, it's easy to use kasi pwede mong palitan-palitan lang yung stitches ito. Dito mo lang, ikot-ikutin mo lang ito. Magkapalit na yung stitch niya. Easily. Tapos ito, meron din ditong iniikot eh. Alam ko, ito yung parang umakyat baba to. Ay, tama. Parang umakyat baba yung ito. And baba, ganun. As you can see ito, alam ko for reverse stitch to. Pag magbaba kayo, kiklik lang ito. What else is here? Ayan. Ah! This one. This one is cool. Napanood ko to. Bago ko to syempre binili. Syempre ni-research ko. Oh, okay. Isa-side mo siya. Sa gilid mo siya hilahin. And then, nakabilog dito. Pwede mo ilagay yung sleeves and stuff. And then, ito yung compartment niya. When you open it, tada! May mga lalagyanan. Eh, pwede mo dito ilagay yung mga freebies na kasama. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga kasama niya. Okay, so ito, mayroon kasamang 2 thread. It's pink and violet. Measuring tape, pin cushion, tomato. Nabasa ko na yung leaf daw supposedly ng tomato is pag sinaksak mo, it will help na ma-sharpen yung needles mo. I don't know if that's true. Nabasa ko lang somewhere. I don't know what this is. Needle threader? I think, needle threader ata to. Ayan. And then ito yung second lalagyanan. This is needles. Meron kasamang needles. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Mamaya ko pa aaralin, pero hindi ko alam kung ano to. Sorry! Alam ko ito yung sub 4 sa buttonhole na presser foot. Yung i-attach dito. And these are the bobbins. Mga ganyan. Bobbins. Alam ko dito ko dito? Hindi ba? Hindi ko dito. Eh, I don't know. Basta alam ko dun yung nakalagay yung mga bobbins. And, hindi ko alam. May felt. Hindi ko sure kung ano tong mga to. Feeling ko mga attachment ulit sa presser foot or something. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. I'm so sorry. I also don't know what it is. Ito. Supposedly, may seam reaper na kasama. Ito yun. Okay. Ayan. Seam reaper. Baby seam reaper. Ayan, may seam reaper and brush. I don't know what that is for. That is everything you get for 6,800 pesos. I think it's worth it. And this is gonna be the start of my sewing journey. I can actually make the stuff that I sketch. Yung mga pinag-design ko, pwede po tayo gumawa and stuff. I'm so excited. So, yun. This is my baby. Thumbnail! I am so happy. I finally have my very first sewing machine. And that is it for this video. Yon recap lang. I got the Singer M1505. Yes, and I got it from Shopee for only 6,800. Kung meron kayong mga vouchers, gamitin nyo yun sa Shopee. And yeah, I'll link it down below if you want the exact model I have. And they also have other models, alam ko. If you're looking for other alternatives, I had another option. I was supposed to buy sa Surplus Japan. I ended up not buying from there. Pero yun, if naghanap pa kayo na medyo mas malawak na range ng sewing machine, may iba-iba doon. You can check that out also. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so excited na gamitin yon. So watch out for mga content na gamitin natin yung mga kasama natin yung baby kong yon. Yun na, may baby na ako. Like, share, and subscribe. You already know that. And follow me on all my social media accounts. And, you know, for now, watch my other stuff. Bye!